Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Supplementary angle.
What does the dictionary say?
Either of two angles whose sum is 180 degrees.
Math rap.
When two angles add up to 180 degrees, those supplementary angles make a straight angle. See 120 plus 60 or 40 and 140, right? The examples I give could go on all night.
Math rap.
Explain supplementary angles in your own words. Grab 2 pencils or pens and make a supplementary angle on your desk. Draw 10 examples of supplementary angles. Draw and number 3 examples of real-life objects that have supplementary angles in them. Do some supplementary angle exercises. Hit the floor and do 10 sit-ups. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!